In this video, I'm gonna show you how to crochet these cute earrings made of tiny green leaves. This is Monori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video, please. For this tutorial, I'm using a super fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. For making these earrings, we need 4 bigger leaves and 2 smaller leaves. For the bigger leaf, I'm doing 15 chains. And in the last chain, I'm doing 1 slip stitch. And in the second to last chain, I'm making 1 single crochet. In the third chain, I'm making 1 half double crochet. In the fourth chain, I'm making 1 double crochet. And in the fifth chain, I'm making 1 double crochet plus, and this is how. I'm starting and pulling the thread like a double crochet stitch and finishing like this, taking the first loop on the hook separately and the other loops in pairs. And the next 4 chains, 1 treble crochet in each stitch. And overall we have 4 treble crochet stitches. In the next chain, which would be the 10th chain, I'm making 1 double crochet plus, in the 11th chain, I'm making 1 double crochet, in the 12th chain, I'm making 1 half double crochet, and in the 13th chain, I'm making 1 single crochet, and in the last chain, I'm making 1 slip stitch. Now I'm going to crochet the other half of the leaf. I'm starting with 1 chain, then I'm doing 1 single crochet, in the next one I'm making 1 half double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet plus, in the next 4 stitches I'm making 1 treble crochet each. Now I'm doing 1 double crochet plus, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Now I want to make a border for this leaf. It goes like this. I'm making a chain and 1 slip stitch, one chain, and 1 slip stitch. And like this, we're going to make a border for this leaf. Now the smaller leaf. I'm starting with 10 chains. In the first chain, I'm making 1 slip stitch. In the second one, I'm making 1 single crochet. In the third one, 1 half double crochet. In the fourth one, I'm making 1 double crochet. In the fifth one, I'm making 1 double crochet plus. In the sixth one, I'm making 1 double crochet. In the seventh one, I'm making 1 half double crochet. In the eighth one, I'm making 1 single crochet. And in the last one, I'm making 1 slip stitch. Now the other half of the leaf. 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet plus, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. And once again, for the border of this leaf, I'm making 1 chain and 1 slip stitch, one chain, 1 slip stitch, and keep this going till the end. And for the last step, which would be attaching these leaves together, all we need to do is to sew all these leaves in a nice order. And that's the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. And have a great day.